Hello everyone, I Manisha Sinha welcome you to the video made for Standard 5. Students, today also we will continue with Chapter 3 Working with Tables Part 4. Earlier we have seen the definition of table. A table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns is called a cell. Tables are often used to organize present information, but they have a variety of uses as well. You can use a table to align numbers and create interesting layouts. We have already seen how to create a table in a Word document. The two methods of creating a table inside our Word document are given over here. First, by clicking on the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Table, highlight the number of columns and rows you did like, or click Insert Table, click the arrow to select the desired number of columns, click the arrow to select the desired number of rows and click on OK. So these are the two methods how we can create a table inside our Word document. Let me show you through an example. First of all, we will open a Word document file. By double clicking on the Word document icon, I will open the Word document file. We will choose the blank document. To insert the table, click on the Insert tab, click on the Table button inside the table group, and just like this, by choosing the number of rows and columns from the grid, we will insert a table, new table over here. In this table, there are 6 rows and 5 columns. We will enter data as I have shown in my earlier video that how we can enter the data. We can enter the data inside the active cell. So first of all, we have to place the insertion point over there by clicking on it or by moving the in the table through the arrow keys. Okay, using tab key, we will go to the next adjoining cell, or using the right arrow key. Using shift plus tab, we can go to the previous cell, or we will use the left arrow key. To go up and down, we will use up arrow key and down arrow key. Likewise, I am doing so. Okay, I will pressing the left arrow key to move one cell ahead. Okay, the insertion point will move to the next cell ahead, and we will enter the data where our insertion point exactly is. Here, children, you can see when we insert a table, 2 tabs appear in our ribbon under the table tool. As you can see on the top, there are 2 tabs, Design and Layout tab. We will do any of the editing work inside our table or modify our table using these tabs, 2 tabs, Design and Layout tab. Later we will going to see how we can use these tabs to edit inside the table, or we will use to design the table or make the layout or choose the layout of the table. So this is how we will enter the data inside our table. Likewise, I am doing. You will also do at your home. Practice it at your home. Here in the table, you can see on the top left corner, plus sign is over there in the square box. That is known as table handle button. By using the table handle button, you can move the table inside your document anywhere inside your document. Okay, and at the lower right corner, you see the box over there. It's the table resize handle. By using it, you can resize your table manually. I will show you later on how I can move my table manually and by using the auto fit. This is how we created the table like this. Now we will going to save our table. We will go to file and click on save as, and from here we will choose the location where we want to save our document file. Okay, I will save it in document, naming the students record, and click on save. It will save with the name of student record in our document folder. This is how I save my file. Look. Now, modifying a table. In this part, we will learn a new thing, how to modify a table. After entering the data in a table, you can make changes in the data as needed. You can insert rows, columns, or cell in a table to accommodate new content. Similarly, you delete unwanted rows and columns or cell from a table. Let us see resizing tables. First of all, we will see resizing, how we can do the resizing a table. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size of the table manually by using table resize handle. Word also offers ready-made solution to resize the table. Resize of a table can be done by auto fit option that offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width. You can resize the column width by the you can say auto fit option. Okay, now based on the different criteria, you can set the table width based on the windows size or convert it back to use fixed column width. Here, click on the drop down arrow of the auto fit button in the cell size group on the layout tab. It will display the following three options. Auto fit contents, it adjusts the columns width according to the data entered. Auto fit window, selecting the option will adjust the table according to the margin set on the window. Then fixed column width, the column width gets fixed and text is wrapped in the same cell. Okay, these are the three options. Let me show you through an example. Here, this is the table which we have just now created. Okay, first of all, we will select the table, go to the layout tab and click on the auto fit drop down arrow. Three options are coming. First of all, we will choose auto fit content. The table will adjust according to the column width will adjust according to the contents given over there. Okay, next is auto fit window. The table will adjust according to the window margin. Now last is fixed column width. In this we can fix the column, and if our data is more, then the column data or cell data will be wrapped in that column. And this is the table resize handle. By using this, we can resize it manually. So this is how we can resize our table and modify our table according to our use. When you click on the table, you notice a plus sign at the upper left corner. This is called the table move handle, which is used to move a table, and a small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called table resize handle. This handle is used to resize a table. For resizing a table, just now we have seen how to resize the table. So how to modify a table, just now we have seen that. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.